everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram music isn't available in your region. If you're facing these type of problems, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So what you have to do is just open your Instagram application on your mobile and tap on your profile. Then tap on these three lines here, click on settings, tap on account, and then what you have to do is just firstly you have to make your account professional. Just simply switch to professional account, tap on continue, tap any category here like this and tap on done, and your account is now professional. So just check that your problem has been fixed or not. If it doesn't, then simply what you have to do is just tap on this sharing to other apps, and you have to link your account to one app from here like Facebook, Twitter and any other app. After that, again check your problem is solved or not, and if your account is old, what you have to do is just come on in settings again and tap on help, and then just click on this report a problem, and you have to tell the Instagram team that you are facing these problems and your account is old, and they will fix your problem. So just simply report a problem to Instagram team. So what you have to do is just type your problem here, and after typing your problem you have to tap on gallery, and let me tell you that you have to take screenshot of your problem, and then you have to select your screenshot of your problem and then just tap on submit, and after submitted they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's how you can fix Instagram music isn't available problem on your device. I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it is, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.